have your exam on the 7th of June. It is a global prediction, and of course, if you don't have time to prepare, you should be prepared for some questions. And this is the video for you. Either it is computer based or it is paper based. The things are going to be the same, and it is global. And of course, you'll get some important questions and also their topics. See, the level also exam according to me or to the general students, but it may be easy for somebody and it may be very difficult for the others. But I will be telling you about the level also. Of course, I am an ex-IELTS examiner and I am conducting online classes all over the world, Cambridge Examiner. So the evaluation and the speaking evaluation is all there. For any paid assistance, you can contact me. So for the listening module, for the part 1, you have to write one word or a number, right? And it would be about the hotel bookings or about an inquiry, any inquiry it could be. So 2 people, and you have to be careful about this thing. In part 2, it is matching the speakers. The MCQs, you have to give 2 out of the 5 options. It could be about the local event or a training and just one speaker. And part 3 is going to be fluent. So be careful. Academic discussion would be there. It could be MCQs and matching. And it would be about the research which the students or the tutor would be discussing, and or it could be a feedback. In part 4, again, it is going to be a bit fast but easy. So the lecture, only one word would be there. The topics would be agriculture, environment and wildlife. So be prepared for some vocabulary with this. So overall, it is going to be easy, right? But if you don't prepare, it could be difficult also. So these are my results. You can see I cannot put all of them here. I have my Instagram page, and this was the prediction that was hit, and of course the results. And this is from my PDF. The question was there. Then this is the bands that they have got after the PDF and the coaching. Again, this is from my PDFs. There is a sale going on. You can please go and buy. And this is from the reading, yeah. And again, these are the, from my PDFs, all these questions are there. See, it's not an eyewash. Anyway, so again, this is the question from my real exam, task 2. A lot of them. So anyway, so for the reading in the academic, in the passage 1, you have true, false, not given, 100%, please. Sentence completion. It could be about history, invention and historic event, right? Passage 2, it is going to be heading, MCQs and match the info. And it would be related to science. In passage 3, you get yes, no. Now this is 100% and summary completion and match. This all 100%, all of you will get. It could be technology or psychology. Easy to moderate. Again, this could be a bit tough, this one, but then it could be easy for the others. So if you want, I want that you should practice only the real exam questions, and this PDF is on the website and it is on sale. Yes, it is on sale, and please do the real exam questions, no problem. And for the GT, there is a bronze reading course and there is also video courses. Okay, if you go in the course section, you can get videos with the course also. You can buy that also. And this was the global prediction. A lot of them, I can't put them. So you can go to my Instagram and check. And this is the task 2 writing, from where a lot of questions are repeated. This is there. So you should buy quality material. Now let's come to the GT reading. The passage 1 is true, false, not given and fill-ups. This is 100%. It could be a notice or a flyer. In passage 2, it is headings and short answers questions. It could be about workplace or community support. Okay, right? So you can be prepared. Then the passage 3 is yes, no, not given, summary, and it could be opinion, article related to opinion, to education, to health, and it is going to be easy, but could be difficult for those who have not prepared. See, you have to prepare. Now these are again the questions that have been repeated from my PDF task 2, and these are the some of the results. And again, this is from my task 2 PDF writing. You can go and buy. So GT task 1, formal letter, request, feedback, Okay, in academic task 1, bar chart process and table also is a possibility. In task 2, GT and academic agree, disagree, right? Related to technology, education, urban versus the rural, this comparison should be there. Then discuss both views, online versus the in-store shopping. That could be a topic, and then problem solution. It could be related to pollution, traffic, smartphone use, or screen time. This could be there. And now coming to the speaking. So, when it comes to speaking, you have these PDFs because in speaking, what you require is idioms, phrasal verbs, complex sentences, and collocation, and easily you can get 7 bands guaranteed. But you should have these PDFs and they are updated. There's a lot of change, and you must know this if you are giving your exam. The cue cards also have the part 3, okay, and it is on sale, so you can go and buy. So all the new cards have been updated from May to August 2025 along with part 3, and the important ones are 1 to 45. You must do these. Yes, they are available on my website dakuntra.com, and there's a free community link in the bio. You can join my community, and if you want all these PDFs, you can just go and buy. And thank you so much and all the best.